Next lesson, the author introduces the X register. Quick explanation. Essentially, you have these three um, places where you can load and transfer memory before moving them over to storage memory location, or as you saw, screen memory location. You know, and so basically that's it. You have the accumulator, X register, and Y register that you use to juggle data around. Yeah, and that's it, except also you can, once you have the data in there, you can put it into a long list of various memory locations, and that's what you have to work with in assembly. It's very rudimentary. Okay, enough talk. So again, you can go and read a little more in-depth explanation of what I am doing. I feel it probably helps to have one person's explanation and then go and see someone else's explanation of the same thing. That really helps solidify what you have learned. Let me just copy that little bit. I'm going to make a new file here. Right click. ASM. So here what this is doing is introducing the X register. Okay, there we go. And okay, I'm just going to paste 828. Not like that was a lot of typing. I really needed to copy and paste it. But okay, so starting out, it says starting address 828. I'm using that. We learned 2064 might be a better location, but this still works. So let's go with it. LDA, immediate mode, 1. Tab, STA 1024. What does that do, folks? You tell me. STA 55296. What does that do? You should know by now. Okay. Now, what he's going to do here is load the X register using the value that we have just stored in screen memory. And then we're going to store the X register at screen location 1026. And then tab, we will store that same value in the color register for that slot, 55298, 55298. Okay, pretty straightforward. RTS, end of program, and end, we are done. Let's see how much I've messed up here. I found repetition really helps. Maybe you make more mistakes at the beginning, and after you've typed the same thing over and over, it becomes second nature. So that's why these baby steps can be useful. Sys 828, there it is. There. So this program just introduces the X register, doesn't do anything fancy. We pulled a value out of the memory location, which is also the same bit of memory that tells it where to print on the screen, but then we've recycled it back into the X register and then used it again. All right. So, okay, that is the X register. So, as I was saying, you have the accumulator, which we've been using quite a bit already, the X register, and the Y register. Okay, so in a nutshell, we could just as easily change all of this to a Y and get the same results. You have these two registers that you can use to, like I said, transfer data around. Yeah, that's the whole ball game right there. Okay.